Primetime news this evening. Serial rapist on the loose in Portmore. Government seeks to clear the air on Bernard Lodge development. And pay up. Coral Garden citizens demand a promised compensation package.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Andrea Chisholm has our preview. Andrea?
Well, Janella, too much talk, but too little action. Manufacturers are again at loggerheads with the government, and I'll tell you why in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. From Andrea, we go to sports with Jeremy. Jeremy?
Thank you, Herman. Well, the issue of the physical abuse of student athletes is once again under the radar. That and more when we return.
Thanks, Jermaine. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on fathers getting paternity leave?
I know what you're going to say, Herman.
Yes,
but
know.
Anyway, keep those comments. Send us your comments, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
The cameramen are giving us thumbs up for that question. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after the break.
News headlines.